What's up, everybody? It's day 110. 110. Wow. We're a little bit of the way through our second round of 100 Days of Code, or 200 Days of Code, should we say. So, we all know the drill by now is we go through we code 1 hour a day. Two, we make ourselves accountable publicly to all of you fine people. And number three, we make sure to share our thoughts and feelings. So, what did I get up to today? Well, I had a little bit of a part time day today because um, basically I was having a little bit of family time in the morning, which was lovely. We went to like a little baby group with my wife and the kids and those sort of things, so that was all good. And then following that, I decided that I would practice because I haven't done it in a while. I've been doing it in React, I've been doing it in Next.js, I've been doing it in all sorts of frameworks. I decided today that I was going to practice uh, fetching and building something inside of just JavaScript. Use JavaScript, HTML, and CSS because I hadn't built anything with just those things in a little while. So I thought, let's go back and build something, in the basics. So it was using the add event listeners. It was using like old requests, same sort of stuff. I mean, because obviously it's all functions and fetch requests and things like that. But just doing it in a slightly different way, doing it in the pure vanilla JavaScript way. So that was quite fun to go back and review some of the things that you kind of use in React and you kind of use in Next.js because obviously JavaScript is a big part of it, and you use HTML kind of because you're using JSX. But it's just a different way of going about it, and I hadn't done it in a while, so I thought, I'm gonna do that now. So that's what I did. For me, I made a display, I styled it, those sorts of things, just to really remember to refresh those things in my mind. Most of it's the same, but I just wanted to like refresh myself on the fundamentals of what I'd learned, so if I ever need to go back to just JavaScript, I know how to do it. So, and make those mix with HTML and CSS in the really basic way or the vanilla way. Not basic because JavaScript is awesome, but you know what I mean. Like sort of the fundamental way, the things that we first learned about using the DOM as opposed to the virtual DOM and things like that. So doing some DOM manipulation and that sort of thing. So that was really, really fun. I really enjoyed that. It felt like in some ways like a trip down memory lane, but also got stuck a couple times because like, oh my gosh, how do I do this again? But it was really cool. It was fun. So I got to go to some W3 schools to refresh my memory on a couple things and do a couple Google searches. But I really, really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Use a little gradient in the background and all that sort of thing. So yeah, made it sort of randomize through different things and made it map through the array of what I was fetching and that sort of thing. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. So that's what I got up to today, and it was good. It took a bit of time. It took a couple hours, but yeah, I made something I like and enjoy. My thoughts and my feelings are and I applied for a few roles that were on the jobs board that we have. So that's really cool as well. So there's some interesting ones up there. So yeah, we'll just see what doors open up, and fingers crossed on some of the other ones that maybe I'm a bit further along with. But yeah, we're just committed to the process. I'm enjoying the journey. I'm enjoying learning. I know I talked about sort of tailwinds. I think I'm going to style this current iteration of the thing that I'm doing in JavaScript. I'm going to try to do the JavaScript, and I'm going to try to use Tailwind as well. And I'm considering doing another iteration of the fetch and doing it in Flutter, which apparently is something made by Google, which is a bit like React, but it's like it uses the same code across different things. So there's so many things I want to learn. I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's so much fun. Like, and for me, it's like I want to try to do the same right now. I guess my goal is like I'm trying to make the same thing in sort of different ways and strengthen those fundamentals because I know this is something that is asked about sort of fetching things, displaying them in a certain way, that sort of thing. It's sometimes a question that get asked, And I just thought it'd be cool to sort of try it in different ways. Try it in JavaScript, try it in React, try it in Next.js, try it in, I want to learn Flutter, so try it in Flutter, try to style it in different ways, just for a bit of practice, really. Just for a bit of practice. So I've been really enjoying that, and I did a little bit of cloud practitioner stuff as well. So all in all, a good day. So that is me for day 110. And we'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Peace out, keep calm, and go